Woohoo! Come on, no, we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it, we're doing it, we're doing it. Hey! Yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. We have arrived. So at the Cat Shack, we went to their other restaurant, our first day in Chiang Mai, and this is their second one, and they do home roasted coffee. They roast their own coffee beans from Thailand at this place, and they do that epic burrito I had last time. So cheers. Do you have new coffee? Good morning. Food has arrived. Loads of coffee. It's incredible. Look at that. Went for the burrito. Morning breakfast burrito. Is that a thing? Smoothies. Giant salad. And coffees for everybody. All fueled up. All fueled up, ready to go. We have quite the adventure. An hour on the moped on the motorway. Should be alright, take our time. See the sticky waterfall. Sticky waterfall. All aboard.
Okay. Aboard.
Gone through the tricky part of the drive, or through the intersections and stuff. Now it's literally just straight road for about 45 minutes, and then we go into the jungle and hit up Sticky Waterfall. Not what this is today. Hello? Hello? You ready? He's ready. Let's go. So my boys, we're all going to Sticky Waterfall, isn't it, boys? Yeah. Part of the gang. Oh man, my butt and my back riding a moped takes it out of you. We're almost there. We're really close to our turn off. We spotted this big golden laughing Buddha just from the side of the road there, so I thought we'd come over and use it as a stop off. He's awesome. Rub his belly for good luck. Thanks, big Buddha man. Having a little play on the moped. She can ride one. She rode it in Chiang Mai when we were there last time. Just the highways, just a little bit crazy. You'd be right. Right.
Why are you being so nervous?
I'm not nervous.
I've done this before.
I know. When I'm... Our turn off. Woo! Boy Tong Waterfall. Is that how you say it?
I wouldn't say boy.
What would you say?
What?
What? Tong Waterfall. Waterfall. Well, we're not the only ones who had this idea today. There's a whole giant car park full of humans' cars. So today is a Sunday.
There's the waterfall.
And the waterfall's just over there. Oh, it looks awesome. At least it's flowing. So today's a Sunday, and we heard that a lot of the local people, as you can tell, come out to this beautiful park on the weekends and enjoy the nature. Enjoy the trees and forest and jungle, and also enjoy this awesome sticky waterfall. Let's get sticky. How is it, Cheeky? Sneaky's down there. Alright, let's see how sticky this really is. Ooh. Surprisingly, it's sticky as. No way! Okay, that's really cool. Okay, so we reached the bottom. I'm gonna walk straight up the sticky waterfall. This is so weird. Like Mika said, it feels like you need to put your hands down, but actually, it's so grippy. Listen to my brain. So there's 3 levels. I think this is the final level to the top. You can really test out the stickiness of my new spidey skills. Okay, that keeps us. You can find out that like. It's so good. See how fast I can get up this one. Use my new sticky skills. It's working. It's working. It's so difficult to trust. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, Cheeky. Place is crazy. Let me just clean your lens. Awesome. So we've been up and down twice. New challenge. I'm going to see how fast I can get to the top. So there, Cheeky. Keep going. So awesome seeing this giant community of people coming here for the weekend, enjoying food and chatting with one another, you know. Something we certainly don't do as much of in the UK, Australia, Western culture maybe. Awesome, really, really cool. That was a great experience. My legs are on my, there's a tiny little dog. Sorry, there's a tiny little dog. Hey little guy. Hey little fella. Oh my god, look, he's the size of my hand. He's the size of my hand.
Hey little one.
He's got his bell's bigger than your head. Hey little guy. What are you? Hey little fella. What's this? What's this? What's this? Hey. Oh, he's so lovely. He's so lovely. Hey fella. Hello. Hello. Go. 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 Goodbye, little dude. That was the tiniest little dude ever. So we spotted this little walk that goes down here somewhere. A lot of the Thai people are coming down. I just wanted to show you this vine. Look how thick it is, but also look how it's grown. Damn nature. You are awesome. Wow. That's pretty awesome. What? So these giant bamboo rods with a bucket on the end. Example right here, people put some money into the shrine here and then they go over like this lady's about to do. Just fish out a little bit of the water. And then I think they pour it on over themselves as a blessing. I'm sure we'll find out. Okay, so they drink the water. Whole family's coming over now. He's really thirsty. Goodbye, Sticky Waterfalls. Like the shades, got these yesterday. Totally over the top, I know. That was the purpose of these crazy shades for my Thailand trip. Alright guys, we're gonna head back, jump on the moped and enjoy the lovely hour ride home. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Chiang Mai? Off to Chiang Mai. Bumpity bump. Oh, we can just go this way. We've got a moped. We can go wherever we want. Maybe not into the traffic. So this just happened. There's a cave. Awesome. We're driving the moped along here. And literally about a minute on the ride, we can notice this. These crazy steep, epic stairs. Which goes all the way to a cave. see something awesome. We may stop off, so stay tuned. Well, we have stopped off at this awesome cafe on the road, probably about 15-20 minutes after I spoke to you guys last. Enjoying an iced soy flat white, and it is just great here, so relaxing. And we also have a little friend. Let me show you my little friend. Oh, she's getting wet by the spray. She's adorable though. Hey Puss Puss, how you doing? Say hello to the friends. She's lovely. There's a lot of spray coming off the little sprinkler over there, keeping us nice and cool. Bit of cat therapy. She's so lovely. So we're gonna chill out here for a little bit before we head back to the big city of Chiang Mai. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more adventures like this one. We're heading to Pai tomorrow. Crazy, epic, windy 3-hour drive into the mountains, heading even further north. So yeah, tune in. Check back tomorrow for more adventures. Until then, live, laugh and love. Peace.